right. Big round of applause for yourselves out there, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm talking about. Now hold on, I'm gonna teach you guys another one. But in the meantime, in between time, remember we got the International Men's Hair Chest coming up in a minute. There's no baby in this stroller. I'm nervous. But we got of course, International Men's Hair Chest competition coming up. Sign up right over there with Allison. Fellas, sign up. Ladies, sign him up. If you don't let him plug in the Christmas tree because it's a fire hazard, please sign him up with Allison right over there at the Towel Hut. But the next dance I'm going to teach you is called the Cupid Love Slide. Super easy, super fun. First things first, you're going to slide right, slide left, slide right, slide left. So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide right, slide left, slide right, slide left. Good job. From there, you'll step out with your right foot, back in, and slide. Then you'll step out with your left foot, back in, and slide. Okay? So let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide right, slide left, slide right, slide left. Let me see it. Step right and slide. Get it, left, step and slide. Alright? Y'all got that? Sure? You sure? Yeah? Okay. Next part of the dance. We're going to fill you in right now. Next part of the dance. It's the shuffle. So watch me first, alright? Watch is the key word in the sentence, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to go right, left, freeze on your right, freeze on your left, freeze on your right, and... Alright, so it goes, watch me one more again. I don't trust some of y'all. It goes right, left, freeze on the right, freeze on your left, freeze on your right, and turn. Hey boo, what's up? Okay, it's alright. What's your name? What's your name, Sugar Booger? Rihanna? It's alright. Everybody say, hey Rihanna. Alright. It's okay, Sugar Booger. Hold on. I tell you what. Is this your ice cream? Do you want some more ice cream? Okay, cool. I'm gonna get you some more ice cream. Will you dance with me though? And then we can find mom and dad. They're gonna come down here and dance. Alright. You think you saw, ma'am? Are you sure it was her parents? You're not sure? Or you just saw somebody that looks like... There we go. Oh, that's Papa. Big Papa! I love it when they call me Big Papa. I throw my hands in the air, abusing her daddy. Is that your real daddy? Tell us now. Tell us down. Alright, just hit him with the ice cream. Alright, that's fine. Yeah, slap him in the face with the ice cream. She's like, Dad, why would you do this to me? I just wanted vanilla ice cream. You left me for chocolate ice cream. Chocolate is sometimes better. Alright, here we go. So, what we're going to do, we're going to keep it going. It goes right, left, freeze on the right, freeze on your left, and then you're going to freeze on the right and turn, okay? Now, when you turn, you got to go booty, 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 booty. But you got to say it. So it goes, so booty, boy, booty, 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 booty. Perfect. Now, let's do it from the shuffles, because I know some of y'all, that's like a challenging moment. So it goes right, left, freeze on your right, freeze on your left, freeze on your right, booty, booty, I can't hear it. I feel like you can say booty much louder. It says booty, what? Booty. It was off beat, but it was close. It was close. It's alright. It's the closest we can get. That's the whole dance right there. It's the Cupid Love Slide. Are you guys ready? Alright, here we go. You sure? Let's do it. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Oh, good job. Good job. This one's dedicated to you, Rihanna. I miss you. 5, 6, 7, let's get it. Slide. It goes right, left, freeze, turn, booty, here we go. Slide, get it, slide, hey, goes right, left, freeze. Freeze on, freeze, turn, feel it. Here we go. Remember Allison, how we looking? Okay, we gave some more. Allison's right there. She looks like Allison. She's like, hey guys, I'm right here. Used to work for, of course, Coyote Ugly. Go sign up for the Hair Chest Fellas. I'm hosting. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Here we go. Next dance we're gonna teach them. Let's teach them timber. I'm yelling timber. Here I